Hello student, welcome in e-learning classes. Student, once again we are going to learn about break and continue statement. Student, break and continue is unconditionally jump statement which is used in Python to terminate entire loop or to skip a step of a loop. Here break used to terminate entire loop and continue statement is used to skip a step of loop. So let's see the example. Here is an example of for loop for a in range, and range is 1 comma 6 comma 1. Student, 1 comma 6 comma 1, what will the output of this range? Student, 1 2 3 4 5. This should be the output of this range. Let's check. So here for a in range, one problem is there. Range, okay, print a. Let's check the output. I'm going to press the run button. Okay, yes, we are getting 1 2 3 4 5. So student, let's use break in this program only, where we are getting 1 2 3 4 5. When we are going to give a condition, if value of a is 3, if value of a is 3, then break should be applied on this. Student, line number 3 and line number 4. Line number 3 is part of loop. It will work same as line number 5 will work. These two line number 3, line number 5, it is part of for loop. And student, line number 4, it is part of if statement. You can see the indentation. So student, this line number 4 will execute when the condition will true, which is given in line number 3. Here only, here, not here. Okay, if condition will true ki when value of a will 3, then break will active, where break will trigger. Okay student, now just check the output. Here is the output. Here we can find the output. Output is 1 and 2. Why this happened student? Because you can see when value of here in the loop, when value of a is 1, it is less than 6, and when it come to here, if a equal 3, value of a is 1, when it is going to check it is equal to 3, no. When this condition is false, then this break will not active. This break will active only when value of a will become 3. So when value of a will become 3, so before it value of 1, value of a which is 1, it will print. Value of a again it will 2, it will also print. But when value of 3 and when it will reach to this condition, a equal 3, here value of a is 3, that is why break active. And when break will active, so it will terminate the entire loop. Okay student, so you have seen कि output of this statement is 1 2, and if you are going to remove this break and this condition is also, then you will get the output 1 2 3 4 5. So student, once again I am giving you the example of continue with the same code. Write down if a equal 3 colon, then continue. What should be the output? Student, continue will skip only one step, and that step will when value of a become 3. When value of a become 3, the last line, which is print a, will not active and it will move to next step. So student, before this statement a equal 3, value of a which will 1, it will print. When value become 2, it will also print. But when value become 3 and when this condition will true, a equal 3, then continue statement will active, and when continue statement will active, then it will skip only one step. It means this line print a will not active when value of a will become 3. It will skip for next update, then value become 4. So let's see what is happening when we are going to run this program and what we are getting. Yes student, you can see 1 2 3 is not there, because if a equal 3, then continue means skip that step, so the entire loop of body will not execute when continue will trigger. So student, here you can find that when value of a become 3, so continue active and continue will skip step. So student, I hope you all are getting all these points. If still something missing, write in comment. I will definitely solve all your problem. And student, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and like all my videos. Thank you. Good luck.